So I did want to just kind of remind everybody some of the things that we've done over the last 6 to 8 months, just in case you haven't seen these. Bring them to your attention. You know, we do trade shows, and you know, a lot of times I show Inform, and people didn't realize that that was even added to the product. I'll show you that in a minute. We've also got a brand new XP migration report that was added to the network assessment module. That's available immediately. I'm told it's great, and people are making a lot of money using this to help them scope and document what needs to be done in both prospect and client engagements, to make that April deadline. Also, if you haven't already checked it out, please make sure you're taking a look at the new enhanced branding. There's a bunch of different layouts that you can use. You can select from color-coded color templates, or even use your own colors. Use additional logos. Will really help you stand out. And we're told that people really love it because it helps them make the look and feel of the report covers closer to their own branding. Also, for those of you who are the security reports or are considering it, we added 3 new reports that focus on the login success and failure. So you get login success and failure by user and by computer in 3 different ways, from the interactive console, remote or RDP login, and also net login, so you can determine who's using what, who's attempting to accessing what. And if there's a lot of failures against the CEO or CFO of a customer, that tells you a lot too. And there's finally one final report, which is just the failures only on a computer basis, which is a much shorter version. Here's what Inform looks like. The way that this is designed, let me back up. We have the automated data collector that does a great job of gathering a lot of information about the network's security, Exchange, and now SQL, of course. But there's certain things that no data collector at all is able to gather information on, like what, you may ask. Things like what does the server room look like? Are the servers in racks? Are they on the floor? Is there security to the server room? Is it locked? Is it an electronic lock? Do they have a BYOD policy, and what is it? So the idea here is you start off with a template. There's one built into the product that you can start with. You can customize that, add your own headings like server room, or topics within it, like add picture, equipment layout, things like that. So when you're on site, you do the data collection, let it run, and now you've got a more formal and organized method for gathering other key information. When you come back in, you'll transcribe that information back into the Inform feature, and that's where you'll then generate 2 reports. We call it the Site Interview Response Report, and this is what then becomes a customer-facing document, with your information. And of course, it includes pictures. Pictures are certainly worth 1,000 words when it comes to showing somebody the job that their current IT is or isn't doing for them. And also, you can key things as a strength, weakness, opportunity, or threat as you import those. And we generate an extremely helpful IT SWOT analysis. It really helps you stand out, helps elevate you from just an IT company or group to more of a business IT level. A lot of people absolutely love this stuff. The XP migration tools. So, of course, there's the summary, the readiness summary that you get, identifies the number of upgrade candidates and those which are not, and then you get the details where you might need to drill down and find more. All of this is available to you today. If you're not using it, certainly encourage you to do so.